Hey everyone, I have this 2008 Subaru Outback and it's got an issue with the headlights. It's kind of been a pain in the neck, but I finally figured out how to fix this. You'll notice the one over here on the passenger side is not on. I replaced both bulbs, plugged them back in, still not on. If I put it on high beam, actually I guess that was high beam. I put it on low beam and it's noticeably dimmer on the passenger side than the driver's side. So there's a couple of good YouTube videos about how to change the DLR box, which is up underneath the dash over on the passenger side, straight down right there, and it's a royal pain to get to and put in, and that didn't fix anything. I came over here with my test light, and these two fuses right here are the two that run the headlights. I had my test light connected to the ground on the engine block, and I tested both sides and they both showed power, but I had it connected to the block instead of going from the little pin on the top to the little pin on the top. I went from the engine block to the pins on the top, and I ended up with power on both sides for some reason. That doesn't make sense to me either, but that's what it was doing. However, when I pull this fuse out, they take a look at it. Of course, my pliers are right over it. We can see that it's burnt. So, I got another one. Plugged it in. And now we have it on the left side. And if I turn on the high beams, we can see they're both about the same intensity. They need cleaned, but that solved the problem. It was really weird because with the burnt fuse, the left side during low beam, both of them would be on, but just very dim. But then when I click the high beam, they both go off. And just by changing that fuse right here in the box, fixed the problem. Both of these fuses run the headlights. This bottom one is the passenger side, the top one is the driver's side. So if you're having some issues that other things aren't taken care of, I didn't see a video that explained this process, or at least for this problem. So hopefully this will help some of you out. Good luck.